Hello YouTubers, see what I have here. 3 boxes from US Mint. You can see that this is from Memphis, Tennessee. So inside of these 3 boxes I have 5 Morgan and 3 Peace dollar, and it's quite hard to get this coin because the coin is sell out very fast. And actually I purchased this a couple of 1 week before Christmas. Okay, so I got my luck, and I managed to get this coin. So now I want to check the coin and see what whether it's great or not. So maybe we can unpack one by one. So the first one, maybe we unpack this box first. Okay, so inside this box we should have 1 Denver, 1 Philly, and 1 Peace dollar. Okay, let's box this. So you can see I just use a paper. Let me take the paperwork out. Okay, paperwork. This is 1 Peace dollar, 1 Philly, and 1 Denver. I hope I will get the good quality Denver here. Okay, so as you can see, Peace dollar, let me double check, Denver, Philly, and 1 Peace dollar. So the content is correct. Then we unbox second one. Let's put this aside first. Okay, however this second batch of shipment, I can see that there's an improvement in terms of the shipment, because I don't see any, I don't hear any rattling sound of the coin like the first shipment back in November. Okay, so here we got 3 more coins. Let's take outside. Okay, so let's check the quantity. So I should have 1 San Francisco. So correct, 2 San Franciscos and 1 Denver. Okay. Okay, there's no rattling sound. Great. And my last box. This last box should have 2 Peace dollar. So I will have 3 Peace dollar for this, my last shipment. Okay. So this dollar will bring a higher premium compared to the others. Even the CC, okay, so here we have check it out. So we should have $2 dollar. Okay. So by right I should have $3 dollar. 1, 2, $3 dollar. To Denver. Yes, to Denver. To Denver. 1 Philadelphia. And 1 San Francisco. Okay. I think I haven't have specific video for Morgan dollar. Maybe I can take this opportunity to unbox the Denver coin. And first I have my glove on. Okay, so this is Denver Morgan dollar, and this is the box. United States Mint Morgan dollar 2021, and this is the product number 21XG. I can, this one got rattling sound. I'm pretty sure the coin is out of place. I hope the coin is not damaged, but based on my experience, the coin should at least in the capsule. So this is the box just now, like the ordinary box that I have unboxed before in my previous video. We have United States Mint. Okay, so here is the certificate of authenticity. You can see the coin is out of the box. So here is the certificate of authenticity, Morgan dollar Denver. So you have a D-Mint mark, and this is the details of the certificate, where the designer is the designer of this coin is by George T. Morgan, so that's why they call it Morgan dollar with a D mint mark, as this coin is minted in Denver. Okay, at the back there's a copied signature for the US Mint Director, US Mint Director David J. Ryder. And for US Mint to mint this coin, they should get an approval or endorsement from the Congress and by the United States of American President. Okay, so let's look at the coin. As I mentioned just now, the coin is out of place. So this is the coin. Really nice coin. So far I don't see any flaws. I don't see any flaws with this coin. Okay, nice. It's very hard to get MS70 for Denver, and if I can get MS70 Denver, it will bring a very high premium. For sure, for MS70 Denver, it will cost me to purchase from eBay around more than 400 USD per coin. Okay, I saw something on the left. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, sorry to forget to mention that the D mint mark is at the bottom of the coin. You can see the D over there on top of the dollar, small letter D. So I hope you enjoy this video and see ya.